Now second part of the question, that is, show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Let us locate these two triangles in the figure. ABD. So I'll just highlight this triangle by shadowing it. You can draw a different triangle also. So this is ABD, and then CBE. CBE, that means this one, this full triangle. It is already shaded up, so I'll just shade this much. Now view only these two triangles. Whenever you are viewing two triangles, you need to see as if they are two different triangles. Even though they are merged on one another, you need to separate them. Okay, so here in these two triangles ABD and CBE, we have angle B as common. Angle B is common. ABD में और CBE में एंगल B तो कॉमन है. दूसरा BD एंगल at D is 90. CBE angle at E is also 90. So that means we have got two angles. One angle is B common and another angle E and D are 90 degrees. So again, double A criterion, they are similar. So here we will write the answer as, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle B is equal to angle B. In the bracket we will write it as common angle. It is common angle. And then we have angle E is equal to angle D. You can directly write as angle E, or you can write it as angle CEB is equal to CEB. This CEB is equal to ADB. ADB. It is right angle. They are right angles. They are right angles. Therefore, by double A criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. So this is second part of the question. I'll just now third part of the question is AEP. This is AEP, the smaller triangle, and ADB. This is bigger triangle. So I'll rub this portion. This portion is not there. So only this much. AEP, the smaller triangle, and ADB. Again, in these two triangles, if you see AEP, at E we have 90 degrees. ADB, in this also we have 90 degrees. So one angle is common. And another thing, what else is common in both AEP, ADB? So in both, angle A is there. In both the triangles, angle E is there as common. So again, we can use double A criterion. So I'll write that only here. In triangle, third part, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, angle E, instead of writing just angle E, we will write it as AEP, this angle, and ADB. Angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. What are they? They are right angles. They are right angles. Second, angle A is common in both the triangles. That we need to write as PAE in the smaller triangle, DAB in the bigger triangle. So we'll write here angle PAE is equal to angle DAB. DAB. What is this? Common. So we have got again the same criterion. Therefore, by AA criterion, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. So this is third part of the question. Now fourth question is PDC and BEC. What are PDC? PDC smaller triangle and BEC bigger triangle. So now this portion is not required. I'll rub this portion. Where's my pencil? Yeah, this one. PDC smaller triangle and then BEC bigger triangle. In these two triangles, what are the similarities? Now see again here. PDC BEC, angle E and D. PDC में angle D, BEC में angle E. They both are right angles, equal. And then in PDC BEC, angle C is common. So again we have got two angles which are equal. So we can say that by again AA criterion, these two triangles are similar. So that statement we have to write here. What are the triangles we are taking? In triangle PDC and triangle BEC, we have to first one is, what is the first angle? Angle PDC angle and BEC angle. Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC 90 degrees, or you can say right angles. Right angle. Second, angle C is common. How do we represent? PCD BCE. Angle PCD is equal to angle BCE. They are common. They are common angle. So therefore, by AA criterion, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So that's about question number 7. These are the 4 parts of the question we have. I have explained here all 4. Now I'll explain one more question, and with that we'll wind up today. Question number 8. Question number 8. ABCD is a parallelogram. Basically ABCD, सिर्फ इतना ही देखो आप, इसको मत देखो. Here ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point. यहाँ पे E एक पॉइंट है. A पॉइंट कैसे आया? By extending AD and joining it from B. So that is how it is given in the question. E is a point on the side AD. Side AD के ऊपर एक पॉइंट है. Produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects DC at F. B को E से ज्वाइन किया और वो ये लाइन DC को यहाँ पर इंटरसेक्ट किया है. So show that triangle ABE, which is triangle AB, this triangle is similar to triangle CFB, the smaller triangle CFB. इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को, this bigger triangle, this whole bigger triangle is similar to this smaller triangle. इस ट्राइंगल के साथ सिमिलर करके हमें शो करना है. So in these two triangles, see here, first of all we have got ABE and CFB triangles. Let us see what are the similarities in this triangle. In triangle ABE triangle and CBF or CFB, triangle CFB. In both the triangles, what are the similarities we have? Since it is a parallelogram, since ABCD is a parallelogram, it's a parallelogram. So angle A is equal to C. Why? They are opposite angles. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, and they are parallel also. So angle A is equal to C. That means in triangle ABE and in CFB, angle A and C are equal. So one pair of angles we have got equal. This is one pair of angles we have got equal. So if one more angle is equal, or if even sides are equal, then our work is done. If you think of the angle E, look at this angle. Angle E and B in both the triangles. What do you say about these two portions? In ABE, in CFB, AB and DC are parallel. If they are parallel, then what we can say about AE and BC are parallel. AE and BC, these two are also parallel. Okay. So if these two are parallel, this line, here we will get a Z shape. Wherever you get a Z shape, perfect Z shape, there you will find out. We can see the alternate interior angles. So AEBC is a Z, and these two are parallel. So EB is a transversal. AE is parallel to BC because it is parallelogram, and BE is transversal. It is transversal. So therefore B is transversal. Therefore angle AEB, angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Angle CBF. ये दोनों angles equal है. So now we have got two parameters, two angles equal. Here one angle equal and here another angle equal. That means two angles are equal. So which criterion we will use? Obviously AA criterion. Therefore by AA criterion, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So this is question number 8 of exercise 6.3, and the remaining questions we will discuss in the next classes.